guys, it's bus driver 139. This is a Bluebird, number 805. I'm going to tell you exactly why I don't like these buses. This bus is wherever the damn year is at. This is a 2014. Manual doors. The new ones we have are taller, but my head is literally touching the ceiling right now, and I'm not even like exaggerating. Like this, like I don't like these buses at all. There's one camera here, one there. You can see video camera. I'm not gonna read that, I don't feel like it. But there's not enough room in here for the driver. Like the seat is literally touching that. International, I have room. So there's the gear shifter. All your goodies. Radio. Look out the mirrors. Over there is 701. This is 805. Don't like Bluebirds. Absolutely hate them. And there's my bus. 139 out. Peace.